Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is BA Life-Adelic. Today we're going to be working on the truck. We got to get it ready for our annual summer Bigfoot adventure. So, today we're going to attempt to put this compass onto this space. So let's see how this works out. So I had this compass in here. I liked it. It's got a incline meter, side to side. Probably not real accurate, but it looks cool. Compass looked alright. But I couldn't really put it where I wanted to, because I can only mount it like this or like this. So I couldn't mount it up on top like that without making a big complicated brace. So we got this one, which can hang from the top. So we're going to see, make sure we get this in here for our Bigfoot adventure. Looks pretty close to the middle. So, I think if I cut that wide enough, I could slip both of those clips up in there, be able to tighten that screw up. Let's see. Whoa! Like a glove? So we got them to go in there. Now I gotta find some screws. Hey! Pretty cool. I can't believe that worked out. So there we go. Nice and secure. Can't believe that worked out so easily. Normally it's a 6-hour struggle. Right on! Next, need to change out this license cover. Just an old license plate. I didn't want it on there anymore. I just painted the back, but you can see it's chipping off. So, I've got this piece of plastic. Nice finished piece. Just take it, drop it right into the front. There we go. Looking good. So we had some sad news around the BA Life-Adelic. Elvis, the BA Life-Adelic dog that you see in the corner of the thumbnails, he passed away. He was here 19 years. He was living in his 20th year, and it just became, mobility was a real struggle for him, and he got to a point where he couldn't barely stand up, and it made him anxious, and if someone wasn't around, he was frightened to be alone. So he was a great dog. He was a real man's dog, the only dog that we've ever had who wouldn't bolt away when you let him loose. If he was outside, you could let him loose in the front yard without a leash, and he wouldn't bolt away. I'd take him for a walk several times without a leash. He walked around and just followed me. So he was a really great dog. And we adopted him. He was about 5 years old when we adopted him. And so that must have been around 2011. So he was with us 14 years, going on 15, and we're really going to miss him. So we say thank you for the time that you were with us, and good luck on the rest of your voyage through the cosmos. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.